In previous class, I explained about hour hand, minute hand, then how to show the time, how to draw the hands on the clock, then quarter to quarter past. Now today I am going to explain how to use the time AM and PM. In previous class I told you, one day, how many hours, students? One day is equal to 24 hours. This is the short form of hours. One day, 24 hours. But in our clock we are showing only 12. That means half. So day is divided into two parts. Half parts. So that is AM and PM. What is that? AM and PM. What is the full form of AM? Anti-meridium. AM means what? Anti-meridium. PM means post-meridium. At night 12 बजे से, रात को 12 बजे से लेकर दिन की, डे की 12 बजे तक हम बेटा AM यूज़ करते हैं. वंस मोर, AM की फुल फॉर्म व्हाट? एंटी मेरिडियम. एंटी मेरिडियम. ANTEMERIDIEM. एंटी मेरिडियम. PM मीन्स पोस्ट मेरिडियम. रात को 12 बजे से लेकर डे की 12 बजे तक हम कौन सी वर्ड यूज़ करते? AM. करेक्ट नाइट 12 o'clock को हम AM और PM नहीं बोलते. इट इज़ 12 midnight. करेक्ट रात को 12 बजे हम AM और PM यूज़ नहीं करते. ओनली वी आर सेइंग 12 midnight. उसी टाइम में हम क्या करते? आराम से सो रहे. देन डे की 12, दिन की 12 बजे, वो भी टाइम में हम AM और PM नहीं बोलते. क्या बोलते? 12 noon. मिड डे टाइम में 12 noon बोलते. देन रात को 12 बजे के बाद हम कौन सी वर्ड यूज़ करते? AM. AM anti-meridium. Look here. If it is night 12:05, which word you have to use? AM. Then 1 o'clock, night 1:30. What is the time? AM. 2 o'clock, AM. 3 o'clock, AM. Then early morning you are getting up 6 o'clock, AM. Then you are coming to school. You are thinking nowadays you are not coming to school. So last year, at what time you are coming to school? 7:30, 7:45. It is AM. Your assembly started AM. Your lunch time AM. Then at what time you will go to school? Go back to your home? 2:30. This is PM. Then look here. Your 8th period in the school. 12 बजे के बाद, that is PM. Then evening you are playing, PM. Night you are going to sleep, PM. This you have to learn. Night 12 o'clock to day की 12 o'clock तक हम AM यूज़ करते. Then 12 o'clock के बाद रात को 12 बजे तक हम PM यूज़ करते. Okay, I will ask some questions. Morning you are brushing, AM or PM? AM. Then your assembly begins, AM. Or you are eating breakfast, AM. Then your last period in school, for example 8th period, 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock, it is PM. Then evening you are playing, PM. Then night you are eating supper, it is also PM. Then you are sleeping, PM. सुबह 5 बजे उठते, AM. Understood not time how to say AM or PM? AM means, what is the full form of AM? Anti-meridium. PM means post-meridium. Okay. Now look here. Exercise 3.2. It is exercise 3.2. Exercise 3.2. Write the time using AM and PM. Write the time. Write the time using AM or PM. You have to write the time and AM or PM along with the time. 6 o'clock in the morning. 6 o'clock in the morning. First question. Morning 6 o'clock. What is how to write the time? 6. There is no minutes. What you have to use? You have to use the 00. 6 AM. A after one dot, M after. What is the full form of AM? Anti-meridian. Then second one. 2 o'clock in afternoon. Afternoon 2 o'clock. Can you say what's the time? 2 PM. Afternoon 2 o'clock, the time is 2 PM. 3 o'clock at night. 3 o'clock at night. Can you say it is AM or PM? At night 3 baje. That is AM. 3 AM. You should use 3 AM. Then 11:45 in the morning. 11:45 in the morning. 11:45 in the morning. Morning I told you up to 12 baje tak AM. So 11:45. So 11:45 AM. You should use AM. What will be the time? 1 hour after 6 AM. 6 baje ke baad 1 hour ke baad what's the time? You should add this number to 6. How to write? 6 plus 1. What's the time? 7 AM. But at 10 o'clock ke baad 2 hours after 10 o'clock, 12 o'clock. 3 hours after 4 o'clock, 4 plus 3, 7. Abhi minutes hai to, now the time is 4:30. After 10 minutes, 4:30 plus 10, 4:40. You should add this one. Now the time is 11 o'clock. After 30 minutes, 11:30. Now the time 11:30. After 2 hours, 11:30 plus 1, 12:30. 12:30 plus 1, 1:30. 12:30 के बाद 13:30 नहीं बोलते, we know 1:30. So like that you have to plus the time. Now look here, 20 minutes after 5:30 PM. PM means evening. So now look here, 5:30 plus which number? 20. You should add here 30 and 20. The time is 5:50. If it is PM means you should write here PM, post meridian. 20 minutes after 5:30, that you have to add 20 minutes to 30. 30 plus 20 you should add, you will get 50. Now 4 hours after 10:45 AM. 10:45 के बाद 4 hours you have to plus. How to plus? 10:45 plus 1, you will get 11:45. 11:45. 11:45 को again you should plus 1. You will get 12:45. Then 12:45 plus 1. How many hours you have to plus? 1. 4 hours you have to plus. So it will come after 12:45. What is the time? Can you say 13:45? No, it is 1:45. Then plus 1. So it will get 2:45. 2:45. Can you say it is AM or PM? It is here 10:45 AM. Now 12:45. It is started PM. So it is 2:45 PM. Once more, 10:45 के बाद how many hours you have to plus? 10 plus 1, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. 12 plus 1, 1 o'clock. 2 o'clock. 2:45. Now look here students. 11:50 PM के 15 minutes के बाद 15 minutes you have to add to 11:50. 11:50 plus 10. What is the time? 50 plus 10 minutes. 60 minutes. 60 minutes means we know 1 hour. That means it is 12 o'clock. 11:50 plus 10, you will get 11:60. 11:60 means we know it is 12 o'clock. Then how many minutes you have to plus 15? We added only 10 minutes. Again plus 5 minutes. So time is 12:05. 12:05, this is PM. So we will get after 12 o'clock, we know it is started AM. 11:50 PM at night. So night 12 baje ke baad AM it will start. Now look the last question. Write AM or PM. This one you have to practice very nice. Yes, look the this exercise last question. Time is written, you have to use AM or PM. Then Jojo wakes up 6. Wakes up means सुबह उठते 6 बजे उठते. It is AM or PM? You should write the time here AM. Time is written, only you have to use the word AM or PM. He goes to school. रात को 7 बजे जाते क्या और सुबह जाते क्या? सुबह जाते. So it is AM. His school ends at 2 o'clock. So it is PM. And 2-3 questions are given there. He goes to play 5 o'clock evening. That is PM. His father go to office. सुबह ऑफिस में जाते AM. His father returns home. वापस घर पे वापस आ जाते PM. He watches the sunsets. Like that you have to, some questions you have to write AM or PM. Okay students, you should, AM means ante-meridiem, PM means post-meridiem. You have to use the short form A.M, P.M. Then these questions, some questions I showed, remaining questions you have to do in the book only. Okay, bye.